Hi everyone, welcome to Home Education. This is Sri. Today's topic is ascending and descending order in 4-digit numbers. What is ascending order? The numbers are arranged from the smallest to the biggest order, then we say as ascending order. What is the ascending order? The numbers are arranged from smallest to biggest order. What is descending order? The numbers are arranged from the biggest to smallest order, then we say as descending order. What is descending order? The numbers are arranged from biggest to smallest order, then we say as descending order. Practice these numbers in ascending and descending order. See all the 4-digit numbers. What is the smallest and biggest digit in thousands place? Smallest digit is 1. So we write 1784. Remaining the numbers. What is the smallest digit in thousands place? 3. 3502. Next 5178. And last number is 7246. This order is the ascending order. This is the ascending order. Then we write descending order. What is the descending order? Biggest to smallest. So biggest number is 7246. Next 5178. Next number is 3502. Last number is 1784. This is the descending order of these numbers. Practice some more examples in ascending and descending order. See these numbers in thousands places all are same. 5 in thousands place. So we go to next place. So we see next place. Next place is hundreds place. Hundreds place is what is the smallest digit in these numbers. What is the smallest digit in hundreds place? 6. 6 is the smallest digit. So we write 5684. 5684 is the smallest number. Next smallest number is hundreds place is all our numbers same. So we go to tens place. Next place. In tens place, what is the smallest digit? 4 is the smallest digit. So we write 5846. Don't confuse children. Slowly we recognize the smallest and biggest. Next smallest number is tens place is remaining two numbers are same. So we go to ones place. In ones place, what is the smallest digit? This number is smallest digit. So we write 5864. The last remaining number is 5866. This is the ascending order of these numbers. Next we write descending order. What is the descending order? Descending order is biggest to smallest. So we write 5866. Next 5864. Next 5846. Next 5684. So this is the descending order of these numbers. See the next example. In thousands places all our numbers 6. So we see hundreds place. Hundreds place, what is the smallest digit in hundreds place? 2 is the smallest digit in 100 place. So this is the smallest number. So we write 6235. Next smallest number is 3. So we write 6325. Remaining two numbers In hundreds place is also same, thousands place is also same. So we see the tens place. Tens place, what is the smallest number? 2 is the smallest number. So we write 6,523. Remaining number is 6,532. This is the ascending order of these numbers. Next we write descending order. Descending order is biggest number. 6,532 is the biggest number in these numbers. Next 6,523. Next 6,325. The last number is 6,235. This is the descending order of these numbers. What is the ascending order? The numbers arranged from the smallest to biggest is called the ascending order. What is the descending order? The numbers are arranged from the biggest to smallest order. This is called the descending order. Compare the following numbers. Write the symbols greater than, less than, or equal to. See these two numbers. Compare the two numbers. Which symbol is there in middle place? Both the numbers in thousands place are same. 4 in thousands place. So we go to hundreds place. See the hundreds place to both numbers. One is 2, second one is 3. So what is the biggest number in both numbers? Second one is the biggest number. This is the biggest number. So we write less than. So we write less than. This is the less than symbol. This corner is the smallest, indicates the smallest number. These two strokes is the indicates the biggest number. See the next number, 2,236. Second number is 2,236. So both are same numbers. So which symbol is there? Equal to is equal to the symbol is there. See the next two numbers, 3,894 and 2,864. See in thousands place both numbers. One is 3, second one is 2. So 3,894 is the biggest number. So we keep the greater than symbol. This is the biggest number. So greater than symbol is there. See the next number, 2,786. Second number is 2,964. In thousands place is same. Both numbers in thousands place is same. So we go to hundreds place. Hundreds place, first number is 7. Second number is 9. So second number is the biggest number. So which symbol is there? Less than symbol is there. Less than symbol is there. First number is smallest. Second number is biggest. See the next number, 6,015. Second number is 6,050. So both numbers are equal. Which symbol is there? Equal to is there. See the next example, 3,069 and second number is 3,070. In thousands place is same. 3. In hundreds place both are same, 0. So we go to tens place. First number in tens place is 6. Second number is 7. So 3,070 is the biggest. 3,069 is the smallest. So we keep less than symbol is there. This is the smallest, this is the biggest. So less than is the less than symbol is there. This is the compare the numbers. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe me and supporting me.